somewhat clean lounge room, somewhat clean kitchen. Laundry's done, bathroom's clean, toilet's clean, floors mopped, floors vacuumed, doggo bed washed, fence up to keep the dog out of here. Sheets getting washed, nearly done. They're just dry. Morning everyone. Danny here from the Young Family Homestead. Today I'm going to pick up my wife and daughter from the hospital, and dog's washed and sitting outside on her princess bed. So I was up last night cleaning the whole house, cleaning as much as I can, trying to organise and get ready for Ava coming home, and now I'm going to get her. So I'm going to take you along and introduce you to Ava.
Level 2.
Oh, you don't know that? I don't know. She's hiding behind me. Scout's gonna go do it, but you can do it.
If I shout out the way, do you want to just put it in the EDS? Kill two birds with one stone and get you home, okay? Shall I put you under this heater? Munchkin? Have they done a big tower tour?
Yeah, it was
They did?
strawberry thing.
Oh no, the yellowness. Have they done like a ground check? I'm not sure. Hello, oh little Valentine. How sweet.
Snug bug and a ruggy.
I just want food. You're okay. You're fine. You're very strong.
She doesn't know yet, but she's a movie star. Yeah, she will be.
Sweetheart.
Are you excited about going home?
So excited.
Is Ava excited about coming home?
She is, but she doesn't know it yet.
I told everybody at the start of this video that I'm going to introduce them to Ava. So this is Ava Margaret Young. Oh. Pretty cute. She looks just like her mum.
Let's hope you have Daddy's hair.
After you.
Level 1.
Just getting out of this
Oh, you'd know all the bumps too, wouldn't you?
Oh yeah. It's so side's better than that side. Oh, when you got someone who keeps it behind
Oh yeah. Nah, Megan's a bit of a war horse, she won't have her. So I parked way over in the back of this car park because there's no car park, but am I right to drive over here?
Yeah,
And...
you can park right here.
Yeah, cool.
And there's like seats all the way along.
Oh yeah, nice.
You can see the car there.
Yeah. Awesome. I'll be back in a second. Right, we're in the car on our way home. So I've introduced you to Ava, and Megan's doing well, recovering very well, hey? Just taking it easy. But I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here because when we get home I'm gonna have to deal with a whole heap of other stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed meeting Ava, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.